I'm super excited about this. I don't know if you can tell. Hi, this is Stacy from the Blue Keystone. I sew and sell modest clothing. I also have this YouTube resource. Today is a very big day for me. I'm so excited. I have worked so hard, and there's a couple of people that have worked so hard to help me with this, and I'm so thankful. Today I am launching a courses tutorial where you can go in and you can watch videos that will show you how to create your own pattern and how to sew your own pattern. Now, why is that different than anybody else's stuff that they have? First of all, you can go to any Joann store and you can get any pattern that you want to get. You also can go online and you can buy patterns and they will print off of your printer. Then you have to figure out what piece goes where and did you do it right. You avoid all that through my system. And also you can buy online patterns and then they'll ship you something, and sometimes patterns come in and there's printing all over the front and there's printing all over the back. I'll insert some pictures here so you can see what I'm talking about, and then you have to trace that pattern. And then once you trace the pattern, it doesn't fit you exactly right. I skip all that. I don't do any of that headaches. I show you how to make your own sloper, which is your pattern, and then there is a basic building block, and you can build from that block to make many different things from it. You also don't have to deal with weird instructions like cut 2 pieces of hem tape or straight seam binding, each the measurement of the sleeve edge plus 1 inch. Press tape in half lengthwise. Encase raw edge of sleeve edge. Is anybody following me anymore? On the ruffle side, stitch close to tape edge, catching underside of tape. Yeah. In mine, you can watch it and then it will be immediately apparent what you need to do. You don't have to sit there and try and figure out which picture goes to which instructions and which side, and wait, what was the underside again? I show you in real easy time, which makes it quick and easy for you to make a skirt. So I show you how to make your own pattern, I show you how to sew it, and I show you all these things so that you can make your own skirt and you can have clothing that you enjoy. I've started with just a basic A-line skirt. I want to expand from here. I will have links down below for you to check out what it is. The first 20 people get my next pattern for free, F-R-E-E, free. I'm super excited about this. I hope that you are too. I just want to create, I don't want to build an empire. I want to build resources for you to have clothing and things that you enjoy, that fit you. Because now more than ever, people are totally different sizes than other people. And I want you to have clothes that you enjoy. And clothes for your kids that are just basics that you can't find anymore nowadays. And as the kids grow up, you can copy those sizes. So this is not a specific size. You can take this tutorial and you can make a skirt whatever size. If somebody is 2 months old, if somebody's 164 years old, if they are teeny tiny and petite, if they're wide and curvy, you can make them a pattern, and everything in between. You can do it with this tutorial. This is great for beginners, somebody who doesn't even have a sewing machine, or this is how you could start them on something like a skirt like this. Super easy. Even if you don't know how to sew, you could teach your children how to sew using this tutorial, using clothes that they will actually wear, actually love, actually enjoy. I go through and talk about fabrics that you want to use. I just hope it's the all-encompassing course for somebody who is just a beginner to sewing. Also, it's good for somebody who just wants to spend a little bit of time expanding your horizons. doing things that are new for you and that don't take a lot of time and a lot of money to start off. I have a review on a sewing machine that was $72 from Walmart, and I sew the skirt from that machine. I don't use all my expensive equipment and stuff. I use basic things so that you don't have to invest a lot of time and money into something new. I'm super excited about this. I don't know if you can tell. Go check out my website, thebluekeystone.com, and hopefully you will find tons of resources there, and the courses will be able to grow and grow and grow. I'm super excited, and I will see you next time.